Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing some clever hacks to help you maximize space in your small apartment. Living in a smaller space doesn't have to mean sacrificing a sense of calm and order. Just as we mindfully organize our belongings, we can approach our living spaces with the same intention, creating serene and functional homes that spark joy. Embrace the magic of multifunctional furniture. These clever pieces maximize space without compromising on style. Imagine a sleek sofa transforming into a cozy bed for guests, or a coffee table housing extra blankets and pillows. Choose pieces that bring joy and reflect your style. Ensure each item is practical and visually appealing. Every item should spark joy, even with hidden talents. Visualize a cluttered corner transformed with a streamlined sofa bed, and a chic ottoman replacing a bulky side table. The transformation is remarkable. Create spaciousness and tranquility with multi-purpose furniture. Embrace multifunctionality and watch your space transform. Our next tip takes inspiration from the graceful elegance of a towering bookcase. Embrace vertical storage solutions. Just as books find a home on shelves reaching towards the ceiling, we too can maximize our space by thinking vertically. Wall-mounted shelves like floating staircases for your belongings create visual interest while providing a home for books, plants, and cherished treasures. Imagine a blank wall transformed into a gallery of memories, each shelf showcasing items that spark joy. And let's not forget the often overlooked space behind doors. Over-the-door organizers like secret compartments waiting to be discovered offer a discreet solution for storing shoes, accessories, or cleaning supplies. Vertical storage solutions not only maximize space but also add a touch of visual delight to our homes. They draw our eyes upward, creating a sense of height and airiness, transforming our perception of space. So, let's embrace the power of verticality and elevate our organizational game. Chapter 3. Underbed Storage, Hidden Compartments of Serenity. Our journey now takes us below the surface to the often overlooked realm beneath our beds. This hidden space holds the key to a more organized and tranquil bedroom. Underbed storage drawers provide a discreet home for out-of-season clothing or extra linens. Imagine sliding open a drawer to reveal neatly folded sweaters. Opt for containers that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Choose materials that spark joy, such as natural woven baskets or sleek acrylic boxes. Even hidden storage deserves a touch of tidying magic. By utilizing this space, we create a sense of order and calm in our bedrooms. The clutter disappears, replaced by a sense of peace and tranquility. Let's unlock the potential of underbed storage and create a haven of serenity. Chapter 4. Foldable and stackable items, the art of compact living. Our next tip celebrates the beauty of versatility with foldable and stackable items. These ingenious creations, like origami for our homes, adapt to our needs, transforming our space in an instant. Imagine a dining table that folds away effortlessly after a delightful meal, creating space for an impromptu dance party. Or perhaps a set of nesting bowls like a Russian doll for our kitchens, efficiently utilizing every inch of cabinet space. Foldable and stackable items empower us to live more intentionally, choosing only the items that truly spark joy and serve a purpose in our homes. They encourage us to be mindful of our consumption, appreciating the transformative power of simplicity. So let's embrace the art of compact living, surrounding ourselves with items that are as flexible and adaptable as our lifestyles. Fold away the clutter, stack away the stress, and create a home that is both functional and joyful. Chapter 5. Declutter regularly, a ritual of renewal. Our final and perhaps most important tip is to embrace the transformative power of regular decluttering. Just as we tidy our belongings, we must also tidy our spaces, releasing anything that no longer sparks joy. Set aside dedicated time each week or even just a few moments each day to assess your surroundings. Are there items cluttering your countertops, lurking in corners, or spilling out of drawers? If so, it's time to show them gratitude and let them go. Decluttering is not merely about discarding items, it's about creating space for what truly matters. It's about inviting clarity, peace, and joy into our homes. As we release what no longer serves us, we make space for new opportunities, new experiences, and new sources of joy. Remember, tidying is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, find joy in the act of letting go, and watch as your small apartment transforms into a spacious haven of peace and tranquility. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Remember, creating a spacious and joyful home is not about square footage, but about intentionality. By choosing items that spark joy, utilizing clever storage solutions, and embracing regular decluttering, you can transform even the smallest apartment into a haven of peace and tranquility. So, go forth and create a home that truly reflects your unique spirit, a space where every corner whispers a quiet invitation to relax, recharge, and embrace the joy of simple living.